If your roofer says your whole roof has slipped forward, you might want to pause and get a second opinion before freaking out, because that sounds kind of wild. So here's the deal. First, check if your roof is actually leaking or if tiles are falling off. That's the biggest red flag. If nothing's leaking and no tiles are falling into your gutters or yard, your roof is probably okay for now. Next, take a good look in your attic or loft like you did. If the tiles are sitting solid on the battens, those wooden strips, that's a good sign they haven't shifted a ton. It's normal for the bottom rows of tiles to sometimes slip a little because gravity and weather do their thing, but that doesn't always mean a full roof shift. Don't get stuck on one quote. Get at least 2 or 3 different roofers to check it out, but don't mention what anyone else said that can mess with their judgment. Also, keep an eye on your gutters. If tiles are hanging over or dropping debris, that's something to fix. Remember, roofs usually don't just slide forward like a giant puzzle piece. If you want to be sure, ask someone to measure the overlap between rows. That's how pros tell if tiles are properly set. Finally, use tools like Street View to peek at your roof's shape and condition over time. It's kind of like time traveling without leaving your house. One of the biggest mistakes people make with roofs is assuming everything a contractor says is gospel truth, especially when it comes to complicated stuff like tile shifts or structural damage. Fix this by always getting more than one opinion and doing your own homework. Another common issue is ignoring minor tile slips because they seem harmless, but over time those can cause leaks or gutter damage. So get small problems sorted before they grow. Third, not checking if the roof is actually leaking before spending big bucks on repairs is a classic trap. If there is no water damage or leaks, you might just need minor tile work instead of a full replacement. BigHomeProjects.com is pretty cool because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors without all the stress of endless searching. Plus, it gives contractors a legit way to connect with people who actually need their skills, making it a win-win for everyone.